Good morning. It's March the 27th and I am at Boomland Fireworks and Truck Stop store in Charleston, Missouri on Interstate 57 at exit 10. There's a McDonald's across the street with truck parking, and Boomland has truck parking. They have a real big selection of fireworks. They're open from 6 in the morning to 10 o'clock at night. And they sell fireworks all year. So we'll go inside here and I'll show you what it looks like. Yep, there you go. One. And I got shopping carts. And this is the fireworks part of the store. Right here they got a lot of different fireworks, a lot of different selections. Like I said, they're open year round. And then they got Wally's Restaurant inside. Now this is the store. They got a lot of different things in here, from little knickknacks and wind chimes. And the restaurant's all the way over at the other end. But they got like different flags, wind socks, baskets, all kinds of different things in here. It's a nice little place to stop and get out and stretch your legs and see what they have. They might have something that you need for your house or your garden or anything like that. They got a lot of nice stuff in here. They got cutting boards and boards for serving pizza and bread like at the restaurants. They got different statues and stuff. And then they got a lot of crosses and other knickknacks. Angel statues. Restaurant's all the way down there at the other end. And they have all kinds of Beanie Babies and souvenirs, coffee mugs, plates, piggy banks. They got a lot of stuff to choose from in here. They got thimbles, postcards, lots of magnets. And then they got hats. Got shirts. And then they got preserves and canned fruits and vegetables. They got hot sauces and barbecue sauces. And then they got seasoning packs. And they got cane syrup and honey. Different preservatives. Jams. Eggs, peaches, and then they got different types of candy. And then the rest of it's like a regular convenience store. They got saltwater taffy. Cider. Peanut brittle. They got a little bit of everything. Coffee candy. Anyways, this is Boomland and what all they have in here. So I just figured I'd make a video so y'all could check it out, and maybe if you're in the area and you want to stop by and stretch your legs, get something to eat, or pick up some fireworks or souvenirs, it's a nice place to stop. Thanks.